Well, Rich, I know you just painted this car this week. It looks amazing. Tell us a little bit about it.
Your 68 Plymouth GTX. We did 3 coats of Viper Red base coat and another 3 coats of clear coat over top of that. Looks good, really bright outside, and it turned out flat. So car looks really good.
I think it looks awesome. Is that Viper Red original to this car?
No, custom color.
What the customer ordered, right?
Yep.
Perfect. It looks really nice. Great job.
Thank you. Very happy with it.
I think it looks awesome. I mean, I can see the reflection in there.